Bring the ball over here. Bring the ball over here.
Yes, 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 yes! See you, bud. Later.
Honey, who was that?
Who, that guy? I don't know. Get caught up in the excitement of Buffalo Wild Wings, sports.
Hey, who's this?
DVR's full again.
Kidding. Kidding. How irritating that.
No. Cable makes me angrier than
Tell me why I should get you the ball. Huh?
You need to upgrade your DirecTV and get the new Genie. She gives you 3 times more storage than cable.
You're right.
DirecTV is more amazing than...
Get 3 times more HD recording.
Chelsea? Where's your ball at?
Everybody has different investment objectives, ideas, goals.
Get your ball. It's right there. Tucker doesn't want you standing on him.
That's crazy. We're all totally different.
Chelsea.
ETF building.
Get your ball.
Personalized portfolio. Find out why 9 out of 10 large professional investors choose iShares for their ETFs. iShares by BlackRock. Call 1-800-iShares for prospectus, which includes investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses. Read and consider carefully before investing. Risk includes possible loss of capital.
I did stay at Holiday Inn Express last night.
Stay smart. Stay at a Holiday Inn Express.
ESPN's coverage of 2013 NFL Draft, presented by Bud Light, is brought to you by Under Armour, where will and innovation come together. Buffalo Wild Wings, be sports. DirecTV. If you call yourself a sports fan, you gotta get DirecTV. Call 1-800-DirecTV.
That is 1 to the 1.
The new film Pain and Gain in theaters tomorrow. Rated R.
Welcome back to the draft, everybody. We have 6 picks left in the first round here in New York, which we've had a few trades. Few names you know are still sitting around.
Chelsea.
The Houston Texans, once upon a time 11-1, finished 12-4, beat the Bengals, lost to the Patriots in the playoffs. And we should remind everybody that Ed Reed,
Chelsea, go back there.
safety extraordinaire, is no longer a Baltimore Raven. He's a Houston Texan. Shane Leckler